Twitter has pulled back the curtain on its IPO documents, which means we're able to see financial information for the company for the first time. Let's take a look at the 5 big numbers that came out of Twitter's IPO filing. First, we have the size of the offering. We know that Twitter wants to raise $1 billion in this IPO, but we don't yet know how many shares the company will offer or at what price those shares will sell. Next, surprising to some people is the fact that Twitter is unprofitable. As you can see, the company logged a $69 million loss for the first 6 months of the year, and they're on track for a steeper loss than the company suffered last year. Next is a brighter spot for Twitter, sales. The company logged $254 million in sales in the first 6 months of the year, and a huge part of that sales is mobile. 65% of Twitter's ad revenue came from mobile. That's been extremely important. Facebook really suffered in the market after it revealed in its IPO filing that that company was not making any money on mobile at the time. And finally, we have the number of monthly active users for Twitter. Twitter had previously said it was somewhere around 200 million a couple of months ago, and now we know that the number is 218 million monthly active users. It's a solid user base, but it's absolutely dwarfed by Facebook, which has 1.1 billion monthly actives. So that's what we do know about the Twitter IPO so far, but there's still a lot we don't know. We're not yet sure how many shares the company will sell in the offering, or at what price those shares will sell. So we don't know where Twitter's valuation is. We don't know what the company is worth. As far as who owns Twitter, one of Twitter's co-founders was conspicuously absent from the filing. Biz Stone was not on the list of the company's top shareholders, so we don't know how much he owns, and we may not find that out.